we made it to Quay to day 5. And I'm gonna be honest, I didn't think we would. I was pretty sure I would do maybe 2 videos and then stop, but you asked and I answered. There are more videos coming every single day of the month of April. So you may be wondering why I am barefaced, or maybe you didn't notice, because I'm a snack. Recently, there's been like this big surge of people doing that 10-step K-beauty, whatever. So I figured I can do that. Let's get started. This is the K-beauty 10-step for starters guide. So I don't have any makeup on, but I am hot as the dickens. Whew. Step 1, it says oil cleanser. So it removes the first layer of dirt and makeup, massage onto your face, and rinse with lukewarm water. Bet. I have the Pond's Cold Cream Cleanser. It says moisturizing deep cleanser and makeup remover. I feel like that is exactly what this is calling for. So boom, I'm gonna use this for my deep cleanser and makeup remover. Floor's wet, so that's something. Step 2 says water-based cleanser. Make sure there is no residue left after the oil cleanse. Add water and lather, massaging onto face and neck. Rinse with lukewarm water again. I have some Dr. Bronner's. It is water-based, I think, because the first ingredient is water. Definitely water-based. Done. Don't want to get it in my eyes. Okay. Step 3, exfoliator. Gets rid of dead skin cells and makes it possible for your skin products to penetrate your pores. Gently massage onto face at least 2 times a week. I don't have an exfoliator. Great value, extra virgin olive oil, and some Doña Maria brown sugar. Dump some of this in there. I'm gonna eyeball it. Some sugar in there, so. Okay. Perfect. This is what I got. Feels good. Whew. All right, so now we're on step 4. Step 4 says toner. Balances your skin pH levels so your face stays hydrated. How to use cotton. I don't have any toner, so we're gonna skip step 4. Step 5, essence. I don't know what that is. We're gonna skip step 5. Step 6, treatments. Treatments come from booster serums. Okay, I need unflavored gelatin, activated charcoal, pills or powder, and some water, and a dish to mix. So let's see. This doesn't look like hers. Okay, I think it is as tight as it's about to get. Now it's time to take it off. I don't know how to take it off. Oh God. I literally can't get this on my face. Who was that villain in Batman that was like, half of his face was like the senator and the other half was like melted because of a burn? Who was that person? No, I look like. I gotta go to the bathroom and wash my face. I'll be right back. Couple things that I did wrong there. Firstly, didn't watch the whole video before I started to do the treatment. That was my bad. All in all, it does feel nice. Step 7, sheet mask. Maximizes nourishment. Tap it onto your skin at least once a week. Okay. That is lovely. Step 8 says eye cream. Protects and hydrates delicate eye areas. Nice for the eye cream. I don't have any. So we're gonna move on to step 9, moisturizer. Seals and moisturizer and smooths away fine lines. I use the Pond's dry skin cream. To be fair, I totally stole this from my mom. So if you were looking for this, Mom, this is where it's been this whole time. Thank you. My face feels like smooth. Last step, sun protection prevents aging and skin cancer, exclamation point. Apply every day as the last step. Perfect, so my sunblock is upstairs. I'm running out of time and light. So I'm gonna skip the sunblock one and go into the final reveal. How'd I do? I can't stop touching my face. It feels so good. Like my face feels like silk. Final thoughts. We had some issues. It wasn't flawless. There were steps missed. There were things added. There were extra things that could have been taken out. I didn't follow the exact thing. I did about 6 or 7 of the whole 10-step process. But overall, my skin feels like butter. I want to know if you've done this before. Just give it a thumbs up if you've done it before. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you Veda Day 6, baby, because we in this thing and we live. Bye.